Siding plays a critical role in protecting homes in Sterling Heights from Michigan's unpredictable weather. It adds curb appeal, insulates against the cold, and keeps moisture at bay. However, over time, siding can develop issues due to weather, age, and improper installation. Knowing what to look for and how to address problems early can save homeowners time, money, and stress. Here's a guide to the most common siding problems in Sterling Heights, and what to do about them. Cracking and warping. Sterling Heights experiences both hot summers and freezing winters. These extreme temperature swings cause some siding materials, especially vinyl and wood, to expand and contract. Over time, this can lead to cracking, warping, or buckling. How to fix it? If the damage is limited to a few panels, a siding contractor can usually replace them individually. To prevent future issues, consider upgrading to a more weather-resistant material, such as fiber cement or insulated vinyl, which holds up better in fluctuating temperatures. Moisture damage and rot. Moisture is a constant threat in Michigan's climate. Rain, snow, and humidity can all seep behind siding, especially if it's poorly installed or damaged. For wood siding, this can lead to rot, mold, and mildew. Even vinyl siding, while moisture-resistant, can trap water behind it if it's not properly ventilated. How to fix it? The key is early detection. Look for signs like swelling, soft spots, or mildew smells. Damaged areas should be replaced immediately, and the underlying structure inspected for rot. To prevent moisture buildup, ensure your siding includes a weather-resistant barrier and proper flashing around windows and doors. Fading and discoloration. Siding exposed to sunlight can fade or change color over time. In Sterling Heights, where sunny days are common in summer, UV rays can wear down the pigments in vinyl or painted wood siding. Faded siding doesn't just affect appearance, it may also indicate material deterioration. How to fix it? If the siding is structurally sound, repainting or staining may restore its look. However, if the material itself is breaking down, replacing the affected panels is the better option. Choosing UV-resistant siding in a lighter color can help minimize future fading. Loose or missing panels. Strong winds and storms, which are not uncommon in the area, can loosen or tear off siding panels. This not only affects the home's insulation but also leaves it exposed to water and pests. How to fix it? Inspect your siding after every major storm. If panels are loose or missing, they should be re-secured or replaced quickly to avoid further damage. A professional can also check for structural issues that may have contributed to the problem. Pest infestation. Woodpeckers, termites, ants, and other pests can cause serious damage to siding, especially wood or older composite materials. Signs include small holes, gnawed edges, or visible nests. How to fix it? Eliminate the pests with professional pest control, then replace any compromised siding. To deter future infestations, consider switching to pest-resistant materials like fiber cement or engineered wood. Preventative maintenance tips. Annual inspections. Walk around your home each spring and fall to look for damage. Clean. regularly. Remove dirt, mold, and debris to extend the life of your siding. Prompt repairs. Address small issues before they escalate into costly repairs. Final thoughts. The weather in Sterling Heights can be tough on home exteriors, but timely maintenance and repair can help siding last for decades. Whether it's cracking, moisture, or pests, staying proactive is the best way to protect your investment. If you're unsure how to handle a problem, don't hesitate to contact a local siding expert. They can provide personalized advice and long-term solutions tailored to Michigan's climate.